people, me get some news. And this a news I look like say baby father chop baby mother to death and gone. For what I don't know. Now it is said that a woman was killed in a suspected case of domestic dispute on Wednesday in Portland. She is 46-year-old Merlin White, a laborer of Comfort Castle in the parish. The police are now seeking White's baby father, Richard Gray, otherwise called Otis, a farmer of Millbank in Portland, who they believe can assist in their investigation. It is suspected that the murder took place sometime between 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. on Wednesday. Reports are that Donovan Gray, brother of Richard Gray, left for work around 8 a.m., leaving his brother at home. About 7 p.m., when he returned home, he noticed the house was in darkness. He used his key to open the front door, entered and turned on the lights. He then found White's lifeless body lying between the kitchen and the living room. His brother, Richard, was not seen at the house, the police report said. The police were summoned to the scene where they found White's body with several stab wounds to the chest and abdomen. It is also said that the living room, the bathroom and kitchen had blood, and it appeared that there was some form of struggle between White and the suspect. She was taken to hospital where she was pronounced dead. The police are seeking the suspected baby father at the moment.
Bless the Lord, everybody. We are living dangerously if we are trying to live without God. We are living dangerously if we try to go about our business daily and not involve in our Creator. Let us put God first in everything that we do today. God bless you.
People, first let me say R.I.P. to Miss Merlin White, and condolences goes out to her families, friends and well-wishers. And me just a hope say them catch the person will take this woman life, Yeah, man. Because too often now, the woman them a get killed and nothing now come out of it. Someone them catch that culprit here and deal with him properly. I mean, I want to not carry him, go put him down in a prison and sit down in there. How long or how much years before or not try him and sentence him. You see? Like how they have Noel down there and now sentence him for Donald's murder. People, Jamaica not run right, Jamaica just not run right. You can imagine blood in our living room, blood in our bathroom, and blood in our kitchen. So you must know how the person deal with her. And as the news say, she gets several stab in her chest and in her abdomen. Father God, me I tell you youth. Water more flower in our town, people, I can tell you. Yeah, so it's just a traffic jam right now. Yeah, people are Santa Cruz right now. I'm showing how I go on that town. Nothing normal over here, people. When rain fall upon that side, man. Disaster. Now, ladies, big up on yourself, And don't make them man a kill you off, believe me. Because the man is going to wicked you now. a heap of rain, what a heap of water. It's all seamless now. Welcome to Santa Cruz town, people. Cause anytime rain fall in a town, yeah, them was yeah. Remember, you're hard figure off your yard. Traffic will kill you. And the busiest town me see in our country. No, don't joke. But they are serve one of them places, Westmoreland. You see me, I say people Mandeville. I'm not lying. Nowhere else now have traffic like Santa Cruz. I swear to you. Santa Cruz, when you come here time, like a Santa Cruz have enough to scare me, I tell the people. No joke about that. See them man now? Enjoy me rest. Taxi goers them. Yeah. Santa Cruz, these people. Anyway, sit back and enjoy. want to push out for him heading the road for tap traffic, you know. It's not gonna stop. Okay. It's not gonna stop, sir. Let me let through these ladies. Santa Cruz is a nice place still in a people, I'm not lying. Yeah man, it's a nice town but hot too. The place is hot material. Go down in the market because I see what I go in the market. Santa Cruz market. Why this either taxi better not come over in taxi? Yeah, I tell you, sir. If you don't know where you are, then people are lick you very street and you lick up them very street. Because, see how they drive? This is the transport center right here that I circuit to. And we're actually in a market now. Let me circle transport center, let you guys see what's up here. And this is the Great Santa Cruz, people. Transport center number 2, there see this way. And now we're going on the back street in Santa Cruz. Yeah. Same, we'll be heading to Montego Bay now. Mr. Delroy Slowly, the MP for Santa Cruz here. This part of the road I want to fix, sir. I drove here this morning and it was it is very bad, and I'm driving here this evening and it is still very bad. So please, sir, you need to get this sorted out. Yes. Hope you're hearing this one, sir. This is actually the back road in Santa Cruz, and it's actually full of water right now. People, big up on yourself on the vlog, and make sure to press the like button on the video, please and thanks. Like up the video, people, like up the video. Yeah, man. May I take time showing in a Santa Cruz town. Understand? Live. Go ahead now, sir. You want to clear the way? Yes, now. Check it out, please. Best just chicken shop that. Oh, wow. Two of them chicken there. Need 2 chicken. People don't want 2 chicken too. I get 2 and go and I get here, man. That? Yeah, Jaja. On the ends now, Santa Cruz town. And when I say on the ends, you know, a Juba on the ends and a Juba ends. Is it? Papa News Links, my brother, big up yourself, you know, man. You're general, you know. One Popeye, tell me I tell you that. No other Popeye, but Popeye News Links. Yeah, man, the man, they are G people, remember that. Popeye News Links, the man, they are general. Yeah, man, a real man, them man. Big up yourself, Popeye. That's a code. Now, this is the back road in Santa Cruz, as I said, and I'm leaving off the back road now. So, I'll be heading towards Lacovia. Matter of fact, you have Rocky Hill, then you have Lacovia. And, you know what I'm saying? You got New Market. And, no, you got Middle Quarters, then you got New Market, then you got Montego Bay, and all that. Right? Big up on yourself, my people. And share the video. And make sure you tell a friend, say, subscribe to the end, you understand? This is a traffic jam. I'm at the stoplight right now. Let me stop the video till I reach out on the front again. Now guys, I'm back on the front, heading towards Lacovia. Yeah, the video will end soon still, you know, people. Right? Because right now I don't have much battery life. But I'm just showing you what's going on in this place, okay? And as you can see, it's a definitely long piece of traffic. You see how we long? I'm gonna turn the phone, so you see? Traffic from Santa Cruz to where now? I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Police officer. Big up on a jam himself. Yeah, it is well with my soul. People, this is a traffic. I'm telling you. This is the traffic. This is the traffic. And I mean traffic. See for yourself. Yeah, man, anytime we touch evening time, man, especially if like a rain fall in a Santa Cruz, remember, it's hard for you to go home. Here it is. Here it is, people. This is where it is. So you see, down here some name, I think, Park Mountain or something like so. And the traffic is from Santa Cruz to Park Mountain right now. So let's see how far that goes. And the road is also a mess. Let's see how far the traffic goes. Yuck. And the rain is still falling. People, you see that? It's traffic. There's a traffic congestion. See it here. call traffic congestion. This is like 2 minutes out of the town, and the road is full. I can assure you that the road is full, as you can see right now. Not normal people. Yeah. And we are in Park Mountain in Santa Cruz. Right now. So this is where the traffic ends. Yeah. And this is where the video ends. Pick up on yourself and go and stay up on the ends. Make sure send and like the video, people. Right? And share out the video too. You understand? No joke.